In this video, I discuss what is the system, what is surrounding, what is boundary, and what is the universe. So I explain the definitions of these four parameters as well as explain by giving the different examples. So first we understand what is the system. A system is defined as a quantity of matter or a region in a space chosen for a study. Means for the study we select the certain area, okay, or we select the some quantity of matters for our study purpose. So this matter or a space is called as our system. Now suppose I have the problem of knee joint, okay, so I going to the doctor, that is called the orthopedic, okay, and the doctor check to the my knee joint only, okay. So the doctor study portion is the my knee joints, okay. So my knee joint is the system for the doctors, okay. Similarly, there is a lots of example is possible in our human body. Suppose I have a stone in my kidney, okay, then I go to the doctors, they give me prescribe to do the sonography, okay. So they do the sonography of the my stomach, okay. So they focus on the particular part for their systems according to the problem, that is called as the system. Now here I give some examples related to the mechanical system, okay. Now this is the basic system, that is this figure is useful to the drawing examinations, okay. So here you see that is a certain space, okay, this is called system. This the line drawn is the called as the boundary, and the outer part is the surroundings. Now here you see this is the image of the bike, okay. In a bike, suppose there is some problem is occurs onto the rear wheel, okay, or the rear tires, okay. So our study is mainly focused on the rear tires, okay. So this rear tire is our systems. Suppose there is a problem in engine, so engine is our systems. Suppose there is a problem in only on the clutch wire, then only our study is focused on the clutch wire, okay, how to repair this clutch wire or fit the new wires. So our system is concerned with our problem or our study requirement. So system is defined as the quantity of matter or a region in a space chosen for the study. So according to the problem we choose a certain space for our study purpose, okay. Now here I showed is another image of the VCRS system. So generally you know that in the VCRS system there is a four component is there. One is the compressor, condenser, expansion device, and evaporator. So this is fully we call as the system, that is a vapor compression refrigeration system. Now suppose some maintenance is come in the system, okay, or due to some reasons the VCRS system is not working, okay. So we identify the problem by studying the different portion. First we check the compressor. So at that time the compressor is our systems and problem is solved, then it is good, okay. So we focus on a certain parts or we study on the some region or a space, it is called as the system. So I hope you are clear about the system, what is the system. Now next word is the surroundings or environment. So you already know what is the environment and what is the surrounding, that is a generally hearable words or everyone speak that word, okay. The mass or region outside the system is called as the surrounding. Mass or region outside the system is called as the surrounding. Now here in this image you see that is a system, okay, and the system last part is the boundary. So outside the system everything is called as the surrounding, okay. Here what I suppose there is a problem in the engine and only we are focused on the engine. So engine is our system and everything outside the system it's called as the surrounding, okay. Now we move towards the next definitions. Before moving ahead, I request to like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to engineering, thermodynamics and another subject of the mechanical engineerings. For that I request to visit the playlist. Third definition is the boundary. So you already know what is the boundary. So in a cricket you know that is a boundary is provided. Ball going outside directly to the boundary, it is considered as the six, okay. So boundary is drawn in a cricket ground, okay, but here that is a similar type word is called as the boundary, okay. So here I explain you what is the boundary. The real or imaginary surface that separate the system from its surrounding is called as the boundary. Means one real or imaginary surface that separate the system and surrounding as shown in this figure. Okay, so here in this image you see this is the system, and this outside the system there is a surrounding. Okay, now that is a one surface is there, this black color line is there. Okay, so it is called as the surface. So this surface is separate the system and the surrounding. Okay, so that is called as the boundary. The boundary of a system can be fixed or a movable. Means the boundary is fixed in some case, in some case it may be the movable. Note that boundary is the contact surface shared by both the system and the surrounding. Okay, that you already understand from the image. Okay, this boundary is shared by both because it is connected with the system and it is also connected with the surrounding. That means they share the surface with both the system as well as the surrounding. Mathematically speaking, the boundary has zero thickness. Okay, so when we doing any type of calculations in mathematical formula, the boundary has the zero thickness and it can neither contain any mass nor occupy any volume in a space. Okay, its thickness is zero, and by default they not contain any mass or they are not contain any volume, so they are not occupy any volume. The boundary may be two types, one is the diathermals and another one is the adiabatics. Okay, that is depending upon whether it allow or not allow to exchange of energy in a form of heat. Okay, so depend on the form of heat. Heat is transferred through the boundary or from the boundary. Okay, so according to that heat transfer, the boundary is two type, one is diathermals and another one is the adiabatic. The boundary or wall that allow heat transfer to have a place across them are called as the diathermic boundary. Suppose this boundary is transfer the heat either inside or outside from the system, then it is called as the diathermic boundary. The boundary which do not allow the heat transfer takes place across dams are called as the adiabatic boundary. Okay, so heat is not transferred to the systems or from the system, it is called as the adiabatic. So generally you study in adiabatic process there is a no heat transfer is there. Okay, so according the base of the adiabatic process, the boundary is given adiabatic. Okay, so when the adiabatic boundary, no heat transfer is takes place. Now the fourth definition is the universe. The combination of system and the surrounding together is usually referred as the universe. Means the full system plus surrounding is called as the universe. Okay, so when we combine everything present in this world, it is called as the universe. Okay, so full world is considered as the universe. So thank you for watching this video. If you learn, then like the video, subscribe the channels, comment on the video, and don't forget to share with your friends. For a more video of the first chapter of engineering thermodynamics, various link is provided on a top right screen of your mobile, that is the I symbol is there. Okay, or the link is also provided in the descriptions.